It's possible to make an extra $300 every single day online. Here are 2 surprising business ideas to earn you real money. There's nothing like being your own boss. Sure, you still work hard, but it's on your terms and actually means something to you. Most of us dream of starting a successful business, but where do you begin? There are actually many lucrative opportunities right under your nose. Let's dive into 2 legit strategies to make $300 plus online in a single day. But first, go to More Income, where we teach you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Make sure to subscribe and keep an eye on the notification bell button. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section. Let's get started. Flip Amazon deals. Amazon is a one-stop shop for toilet paper, shoes, kitchenware, and more. But many shoppers overlook the Today's Deals page. It's full of new sellers who are trying to build up their reviews and reputation. Thousands of products are up to 60% off for 1 or 2 days. Now, you can shop and collect a profit as a middleman. Here's how. Go to Today's Deals on Amazon. Click on a discount, search that same discount on eBay and check the selling price. Copy and paste the photos and description from Amazon to create a duplicate listing on eBay. Order a few items from the Amazon discount and sell to an eBay buyer at a higher price. This option can be pretty simple, and depending on the product, you could rake in $300 per day. Use Creative Commons videos on YouTube. You don't need to create original content to make money on YouTube. You can actually repackage other videos as your own. Compilation videos are a legit and legal income stream. If you can get millions of views, you can make $300 per day or more. Here's how to get the ball rolling. Search a keyword or topic, such as funny cat videos. Click Filters. Then choose Creative Commons under Features. Choose a video in the search results. Check to make sure the video says Creative Commons Reuse Allowed in the description field. Copy the URL and extract the video with a YouTube to MP4 converter. Use video editing program to replace the original music with a free audio file. Upload to YouTube with the original video URL in your description box. Don't just grab one. Upload as your own, and call it a day. Instead, compile a variety of clips from other videos and create a super video. Most importantly, add a detailed caption about your video in the description box. This helps get your video recommended to more people, meaning more views. You can even add affiliate links for more revenue. If you have millions of views, chances are a good portion of those people will read your description field, and some may click out to those partners. Creative Commons is a public copyright license that lets the original creator give other people the right to share and use their work under certain conditions. It allows for the free distribution of an otherwise copyrighted work. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this. It was really a pleasure. See you soon for another video.